Hello everyone, my colleague here from the reviewer. So today I'm going to do an unboxing of the new purchase that I have done. It's a DJI Mini 4 Pro. So recently I have done an unboxing for the DJI Neo. So I decided to upgrade it so that I can actually do more drone view and also some minor surveying. So I purchased my drone from the Drone Kaki. So basically they are selling different type of drones as well as DJI drones as well. So I got this package from them which cost me about 4,749 including all the accessories. So these are some of the accessories that you get from the package. DJI, this is the lanyard neck strap, okay, for your controller. So you get this. You also get the filter. So there'll be two filters for your drone. So these are ND8 and ND16 filters. Then you also get this SanDisk 64 GB, okay, for the drone as well. Then you have a tempered glass protector for your screen for the remote controller. Then you also have this strap for the propeller. So it straps onto the drone for the propeller, okay. Then you also have the Mini 4 Pro. Okay, so you have the landing gear, okay, for the Mini 4 Pro. You also have the how would I say, this is actually the remote controller protector, okay. Then you have the propeller guards as well for the Mini 4 Pro. Okay, so this is the propeller guards for the Mini 4 Pro that you receive together. You will also include in this package, you will also get a landing pad as well. Okay, this is the landing pad that you will get together with this purchase, the landing pad. Okay. So together with the purchase, you will also get a hard case box, which is very durable. This box is together with the package as well. So this is the DJI Mini 4 Pro box, okay, that comes with the purchase. So I'll do some unboxing first. So inside the box, you will get straight away the bag, okay. So you get a bag, comes together with the drones and everything. So let's remove and open up the bag itself, okay. So from this bag, okay, you will get the drone, okay. So this is the drone, the DJI drone, okay. And also in the bag itself, you will get the RC2 controller, okay. This is the RC2 controller. Also you will get the batteries and the charging bricks, okay. Plus you will get all the cables, okay. So you have your cables, your propellers, additional propellers, spare propellers, okay, the guidebook, okay. So these are all the things that you will get from the purchase. So I would say it's worth your money because it includes all the accessories. You don't have to bother about buying separately, okay. Of course, some of the accessories you can buy separately is to add on to it, but I think with the package you don't have to worry about it. Yeah, so that's all for my unboxing, okay. I will share some drone footage once my drone is up in the air. Thank you everyone. Hello everyone. So I have done the unboxing. So you can see this is the DJI Mini 4 Pro. So this is the drone. So basically it is a true 4K drone. And it also have omnidirectional sensors. So basically it has 360 avoidance. And I will test it out, this drone, and see how good it is, okay. So it comes together. You have this controller, RC2 controller, and then you have the battery. So this is the battery chargers, and also these are the batteries. So I'll test it out and then I'll let you guys know. Cheers.